This is the third Redentore I'm reviewing from Venezianico, and this is the Redentore to get. The name of the model itself is derived from the Feast of Redeemer, or Festa del Redentore, which is the most important event in Venice as it celebrates the end of the plague in 1576 and has been celebrated annually ever since. The feast ends with an epic fireworks show, which is exactly what is depicted on this Bellanotte variant of the Redentore. By using aventurine to show a starry sky, mother of pearl for the moon that also doubles as the time display, and rhodium plated discs and reliefs depicting the fireworks and Piazza San Marco with the famous lion, it uses 4 layers and just as many levels to capture a beautiful night as the name suggests, making this one of the prettiest watches I ever handled. This stunning dial is encased in their 40mm variant of the Redentore case, but it has been reprofiled to make it thinner than before, which is the one thing I criticize on other variants. With 11.5mm in thickness and under 47 lug to lug, this is wonderfully proportioned and sits well on the wrist. Usually I would prefer a 36mm variant, but with this, I'm more than okay with 40, as it makes the dial bigger and makes the enjoyment of the little details easier on my older eyes. The watch is powered by a Seiko NH05A, which is an off-center dial variant of the NH family, beating at 21,600 bph and also coming with hand winding option. The watch comes with a nice color-matched blue leather strap, which goes well with the overall look, and even though they offer the bracelet as an option, I actually prefer it like this, as the lugs curve down perfectly following the strap. The case itself is brushed on the sides and polished on top surfaces, again matching the dressy nature of the watch. The one thing that ruins the high-end appearance is the somewhat sloppy hand assembly, as you can see dust and smudges on them, but truth be told only under macro and only under certain lighting. Since this is a pre-production sample, it might not be the case with the ones they send to customers, so take this criticism with a grain of salt. At €700, which is roughly $750, it might seem a lot for a watch with a Seiko NH family of movements, but the intricate details and levels of the dial, as well as the sheer number of materials used, more than justify the price. The watch truly deserves the Bellanotte name it carries, as it gives you a glimpse of a beautiful night every time you check the time. This, next to the Nereide Tungsteno I reviewed with its ocean-inspired dial, are 2 of the most beautiful Venezianicos I have reviewed so far, and this one is very high among the most beautiful watches in general I handled, regardless of brand. These are available for pre-order but will start shipping appropriately at the start of this year's Redentore Feast, so 17th of July. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.